Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add your preferences on education level. Maybe you want to add your preferences on education level on your Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add your preferences on education level in your Facebook dating. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, simply tap on this heart button for it to be directed into this dating. And here, tap on these settings at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, it will be directed into this ideal match. Below, you will see the advanced preferences. Tap on this drop-down button and you will see in here the education levels. Tap on the education levels. And then in here, as you can see, what's their education level. And here, if you prefer college degree, tap on this checklist button. And as you can see in here, you can turn this on if this is a strong preferences. After that, tap on the save button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add your preferences on education level on your Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add preferences on education level on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.